find we'll meet you through the smoke and flames on the far lines of war.